We no go tolerate lawlessness for Edo. Obaseki na im tok dis one. Edo State Governor Mr. Godwin Obaseki don say the ongoing removal of illegal structures dey in line with the state extant planning laws and regulations, and e go ensure order and sanitize the building environment space. Obaseki tok dis one wen e visit the demolition site of 30 lock-up stores wey dem build illegally for Iyekwagba housing estate without building permit. Oga Governor say im team dey go round town to remove illegal structures wey no get building permit, especially for areas with public activities.
You would have noticed that over the last few weeks, our teams have been going around town, remove illegal structures and structures that don't have any building permits, particularly in areas where we have a lot of public activities.
According to Ram, government no go fit just sit down dey look and allow lawlessness for the way people dey construct buildings across the state. Say the demolition na ongoing exercise as dem still dey serve notice to offenders, and say police dey in support of the order.
We noticed that a lot of people are building shopping malls across the city without building plans or approvals. The concern is that government does not know about the quality of these structures. So you can imagine a shopping mall on 2 or 3 levels with almost 40-50 shops that has no approval.
The ogbonge people wey tanda for the site na Edo State Governor Mr. Godwin Obaseki, Secretary to Edo State Government Osarodion Oge Esquire, Edo State Commissioner of Police Mr. Philip Aliyu Ogbadu, among others. This one na the ogbonge informate wey TMC TV carry come give una on top the koko for today. My name na Chidima Anichukwu from Benin.